Hey yo, if you never been to Souk, I think it's about time you slide on through. Do what you do, let's go.
Get ready to change your mood if you stop on by. Feeling rich and looking so fly.
Shocked when I stepped in the canton of Souk. I guess good dreams really do come true. Super low taxes, think I might move, and maybe hit a carnival or two. You want cherries that go here with a little bit of cold. We got snow here. It's looking like the next set of Ozark. And stores leave the merch outside when it get dark. It's the blockchain mecca, crypto. Pay the state in Bitcoin, no joke. Startup companies flocking here, and I see why, because it's rocking here.
Get ready to change your mood if you stop on by. Feeling rich and looking so fly. Souk rocks, that's right. Sweet like a cherry, yeah it's true, so give it a try. Much beauty that meets the eye. Come do it right.
Highest GDP per capita in Europe. It snows out here, but not in Zurich. Junk in the mailbox stacking up high, but on the opposite end we got super low crime. A mini me fountain, kinda like in Geneva. Souk Lake's amazing, you really gotta be here. Cows everywhere, but don't go tipping. Nightlife pretty good for such a small city. Sports festivals in the summer. There's never a day that's a bummer. Come bring your friends, your daddy, your lover. A trip like heaven, smooth like butter. Come check out the great sunset colors. Friendly peeps got respect for one another. You might never have heard of Souk, but now you know. Stop by, rollin' through.
Come to Souk. Get ready to change your mood if you stop on by. Feeling rich and looking so fly. Souk rocks, that's right. Sweet like a cherry, yeah it's true, so give it a try.